Audra, congratulations on your grant.
Thank
Uh,
you.
a little bit about us and why we're here today. Davidson Bluso is a advertising agency that works with cause brands and purpose-driven organizations. Ultimately, we recognize that schools and the work of teacher like yourself is so vital to our communities. And that's why we've been partners with ASBA for years, and it led us to sponsoring the AZEdNews Classroom Grant Program. Best of all, I get to recognize the wonderful things being done in our schools by teachers like yourself. So, just a couple quick questions. How long have you been a teacher? At what school and what grade do you teach?
So this is actually my 11th year of teaching, my 10th year in the Tolleson Elementary School District, and my 9th year as a preschool teacher.
Wow. And why don't you tell us a little about your program and how you'll be using the grant funds?
Yes, so this year has definitely been a different year. So we've had a virtual preschool program for the entirety of the school year, and both of our programs are actually virtual right now. So that's required us to think outside of the box a little bit, and in doing so, we determined that we were going to need to put together weekly resource kits for our kiddos. We know that early learners definitely learn best when they have hands-on resources at home. And so we're putting together weekly resource kits. We're delivering them to the families at their homes, and that way they have the things that they need to be able to learn. And so in doing so, we found this grant and we applied for it. And so this grant will be able to give us additional funds to be able to support with that.
It's great. Well, first of all, you will be getting a check like this one, but significantly smaller, hopefully, so you can deposit it. A t-shirt and a certificate in the mail the next 2 weeks. And I just wanted to say congratulations. And that's our interview today.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
greatly just you guys supporting us. And like I said, it's been a different year, but with support from people like you, it makes it a lot easier.